Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, schools in Jamaica are known to take a no-nonsense approach when it comes to inappropriate relations between students and teachers, often initiated by the adults. But what happens when the table turns? There
are concerns that students are making sexual advances at teachers.
Ramada Lyons explores the issue in this Primetime News special report, Beyond the Lesson Plan.
Teachers get notes from students all the time, but the contents differ. For one male educator, all his years of teacher's college couldn't prepare him. A note from a female student left on his desk in the staff room read,
"Me like you, sir, and I know you like me too. We can meet up 3 o'clock.
The sender, a grade 10 student, age 15. The man reported the issue to the guidance counselor and the principal. The girl was brought in and spoken to. He thought this was the end.
Me not hold it against you. Me think you have a big and I'm not a virgin and not a child. Don't feel like it done because you report me."
That's what she told him when she returned. Linvern Wright, president of the Jamaica Association of Principals of Secondary Schools, says this is a serious issue.
There's an obnoxious boldness that has taken over many students now. They really figure that they can say anything regarding sex or even just tell anybody anything. And it's an unfortunate phenomenon that is really taking over. And I don't think that it started just now. It has seeped in.
Another high school teacher recalled when a female student did not complete an assignment. When he attempted to reprimand her, she suggested a solution.
Her response was, "Sir," and I quote, "Sir, me can give you a piece for make up for the assignment." So honestly, I was flabbergasted in the moment to the point where I did not say anything. I just stared at her.
She was a grade 9 student. Now the man says he was put in a position where he had to ensure his back was covered.
It was reported to a female supervisor and the issue was dealt with.
Now, there have been reports. January 2025, a 27-year-old Portland teacher was charged with 2 counts of having sexual intercourse with a person under 16 and 2 counts of grievous sexual assault. December 2024, a male teacher at an all-girls school in St. Andrew was arrested, part of an investigation into allegations of sexual activities with a student. March 2024, a 42-year-old male teacher from St. Catherine was charged after reports that he held down a female student on more than one occasion and sexually assaulted her whilst she was attending classes. 3 different cases, 3 different parishes. Another 12 years earlier, 2013, a male teacher at a school in the corporate area was arrested and charged for carnal abuse. The Center for Investigations of Sexual Offenses and Child Abuse said the 35-year-old teacher allegedly had sexual intercourse with an 11-year-old student multiple times between October 2008 and February 2010. Now, this teacher says the responsibility is on the adults to do what's right. He recalled another incident he swiftly reported after a grade 8 student sent him naked pictures.
I saw the message, but my read receipts were off. So I opened the message, took a screenshot of it, right? And I waited a couple hours. And ultimately, the student deleted the messages, the photos rather.
Mr. Wright says the lewd remarks being made by students generally shouldn't be brushed aside and treated frivolously.
The sexual advances some of them make on other students or on teachers or just sexually explicit behavior is something that many teachers are disgusted with. As has been intimated, many teachers face this kind of bold obnoxiousness from many of them, regarding sexual advances, and are fearful. Because in many instances, they deny it, the parents deny it, and sometimes the notion of child rights seem to come down on the side of they're just being irresponsible. But we know that it's not about that.
In part 2, the story of female teachers who endure similar issues. Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.